All right, hello my fellow investors, City Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video, I will be talking about two stocks. But before I start that, check the links in the description down below. If you sign up for that, you get a free stock on Robinhood if you don't have the platform. If you already do, then congrats, you did the first good step. Now, starting off, guys, before all this, like I said, check my previous two videos. They've been great. I've been giving a lot of good information to people. And if you need a financial advisor, you can hire me. So send me a personal message if you want that. I've made people very wealthy and very rich by following certain steps and helping them manage their money. So just throwing that out there before we start the video. But again, I'm going to start this video with talking about Diamondback. Now, Diamondback is at 63.50. If you jump back into it and you see in my previous videos, we ended up getting this around $40. Now it's at 63.50. We've already made a $23 profit, and our goal is 25. So once we hit 25, we're gonna sell out of it, and after that, we'll still be swing trading it depending on the momentum. But this is a good stock to look at. We've already made our profit. Like I said, if you only bought two of them, you invested what, $80? Your profit would have been 50. So, understand that this was the huge gain that we were looking for. If you bought three stocks for, you do the math, keep multiplying. For me, it's a bigger gain because I invested about $4,000, and again, you do the math. So, it's not about bragging, it's about making money. So just understand that. Follow these simple rules, find these good stocks, and you can easily make money. So that's all I'm trying to do here. Trying to give you quick information so you guys can get that knowledge, get some good trades, and make some money. But the thing I do want to tell you is that remember that the stock market is always risk. So that's why I don't give you financial advice here. I just give you my thoughts and my recommendations. So before you do any trades, make sure you do heavily research on these companies. I mean, you can get a lot of the information here, and it's, it helps out. So understand why you're doing these trades, understand why you're making the money and all that stuff. And again, you'll be successful in the market. All right, so enough of that one. Our goal is 65. Once we hit 65, we're jumping out of it. Now that it's at 63, I did put a trailing stop loss. So if it drops down to 60, it'll automatically sell. If it drops down even more, then I'll buy more. And then, lock in profit, buy more shares, and make more profit. So that's the goal here. Now, this stock that I really want to talk about can actually make you super, super wealthy if you invest in it the right way. And the stock I'm going to talk about here is Apple. Now, Apple has been blowing up this past week. As you see, it's been up $12.65 in the past month. It was down here to, what was it, 126. So it's been, let's say 127. So it's been up $13. It's been really up lately. So, it dropped down to it was close to, it hit up 100 to a point, and that's when I recommended it, getting into it at 100. Then it jumped to 140. So, we've had good returns with Apple. Now, Apple, you think it's expensive right now? It is. Is it possible that it might drop? Yes, it can. It can drop even more. It can crash. It can probably jump back down to 100. We don't know. But the thing with Apple is that our outlook is 10 years. Now, if you start buying into it now, our goal is to look at what happens in 2024, 2025. Why? Because Apple is thinking about getting into the EV market with the vehicles, and they're thinking about taking out an Apple car. Now, if that happens, this stock is easily going to hit 300. So understand that, guys. Please see that, and jump into it now, even though, it's a good little ways away. But we're looking into potential future wealth. And that's how you should invest, looking at future wealth. Apple is a big company, and we already know it's a big company. Look at your phone right now. I'm pretty sure you're using an iPhone. If you're not, you have a computer or you have some sort of Apple product. If you don't, millions of people do. So they easily sell millions and millions of products a year. Okay, they're $1 trillion company, actually $2 trillion company. So by now in 2025, they should be releasing out a car. Throughout that time, they're going to be coming out with new products, new phones, all this stuff, and they'll be making billions and billions of dollars. Now, by let's say 2030, if the car does well and starts selling well, then this stock is easily going to become a $900 to $1,000 stock again. And honestly, guys, that's just insane. And we know Apple within now and 10 years is going to be great. As you see, in the past 10 years, Apple has been doing so much and they've grown so much. So these next 10 years are still going to be theirs to dominate. So Apple is just something that you guys should look into. As you see, I have 12 shares here in Robinhood. I do own about 1,000 shares in my Fidelity account, and I've been investing in the stock for a long time, and it hasn't disappointed. It's just been pure wealth. And if you jump into it now, you'll see in the next 10 years, honestly, especially if you're a youngster, if you're about 18 years older and barely investing, this is the best growth stock you can jump into at the moment. And you'll see in 10 years from now, this stock is going to create so much wealth for you. So the main point of it is actually being patient, taking it simple, and just, creating that wealth slowly. Don't listen to any news out there. Don't be listening to people saying, oh, this stock isn't growing fast enough, the S&P 500 is going faster than this. You don't listen to none of that crap. This stock is something you should jump into. Look for it in the next 5-10 years, and you're going to see the growth on this. Honestly, it's something you shouldn't miss out on. It's at a fairly good price for a big company like this. So don't miss out. Again, create wealth, create it intelligently, be patient, and you will get wealthy in the future. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe if you can. It'll help me out a lot. I'm trying to grow the channel now. I'm trying to invest more time in what I say, information I put out there. I'm trying to build a class so you guys can understand a bit more. And it's going to take some time, but if you guys aren't really looking at the videos or subscribing, then I'm not really too motivated to do that there. I mean, I do have a lot of, time that I'm putting into other things. Like I said, I am a financial advisor, so I have to put time in that and advise people. But like I said, I've created wealth for family members, for friends, before people that have been in debt. I've helped them get out of debt, create wealth, and now they're stable. I've helped some family members become close to millionaires, and I can do that. I can really help you guys out if you guys are in trouble. You can, like I said, hire me as a financial advisor. My fees aren't really high at all. I work with anybody. I'm not one of those, I don't want to say pricks, but there's a lot of financial advisors that don't like working with people because they don't have enough money, or, they're not paying them that well. Like for me, I just get anybody. If you guys need help, I'm here to help. If you're not making a lot of money and you want to get stable and all that stuff, I'm here to help. I'm not here to, steal your money or charge you a bunch of money. I get any clients I can because I know everybody needs help. And I'm not that kind of person where, I'm just going for the big accounts. I have big accounts, but I also have small accounts. Or you can hire me for a day or an hour, and you can see for yourself and stuff like that. I mean, like I said, I'm not a prick. I don't go for the money. I go for the help because I'm mainly nonprofit. So understand that. That's pretty much it, guys. I talk too much. Again, subscribe, please. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.